what would your best tip be in order to make time your friend?
We tend to look at time from a scarcity mindset. Oh my gosh, I don't have enough time. And when we operate in fear, that does not help with decision making. Whereas if you operate from a mindset of abundance, I have 24 hours. What would I like to do with these 24 hours? It frees up your mind to all the possibilities. And if you can just bring in that time estimation, then you can build out your realistic 24 hours and be in much more control of your time. So just remember that time management is all about mind management, and you do have the power to tell your time what to do.